Hello everyone. So today I thought I would just come on and show you how I go about making a textile art piece. This is a piece that I've done and I wanted to do another one same size that will lie alongside this one. It will be the third in a series of pieces that I've done using these particular colours. This is another piece that's slightly squarer, but I thought if they all could sit nicely with each other. It's a series called my spring series. All the pieces of fabric that I've used in here have all been hand painted, and I've used these lovely fresh greens. I just love the spring feel to these greens. So as I say, I've used varying shades of green and on varying pieces of fabric. There's some calico in there, there's some cotton, there's a bit of curtain lining fabric, and I've just used, as I say, different shades of the green to dye the fabric. So I'm starting off with a piece of lightweight wadding as my base, because I find that it gives it a nice quilted feel when the stitches are applied. And then I'm just going to build up a collage using the pieces of fabric that I've got and just play about with the pieces until I'm happy with the layout and the placing of each piece. So first of all, it's usually the hardest is just to get something down, and just as I say, because I'm playing alongside this one, it might be nice to sort of reflect some of the colours or the shapes in this particular piece. So there's no right or wrong way to this. It's just getting pieces down and having a play. See, I like that frayed edge there. And just play and place that down there. And there again, I do like the frayed edges of pieces. In fact, I think I preferred that frayed edge on there. See, also I can use my scissors to just cut pieces if I want to, or I can lay pieces underneath. Quite like that as a diagonal. I can rip pieces. And just play until we're happy with the shapes. See, I had some nice triangular bits in this piece that I'd like to also reflect in the other pieces. And I will be adding more of the circles as well. There's another triangular piece there that's sort of reflects that slightly. Put that there. That one on top. That piece be better. That one, which would then curve in that way. Bring it around a little bit. Maybe bring it down. See, I like how that follows the shape round. Sometimes you get just random shapes that just seem to fit. Like, I think a smaller, here we are, just a little piece that might just add a little something. As I say, it's just a case of trying bits out. You see, I've got a space here that I need to just try and fill. And I like how that frayed edge goes there. See, that sort of reflects the same colouring in there. Just looking to see if I want to keep those curved edges or not. And see how they might sit beside each other. I'm just not sure about these pieces here. But I like the triangular edge. If I made that smaller, and it might be too small. I'll have a play and I'll come back to you when I've decided. Just going to draw some circles onto these fabric pieces. varying sizes. Oops. Start off with the bigger one. It doesn't slide around. And then maybe I'll go for this size. I'm just going to play about with these circles now and see where I would like to put them. It's just a matter of playing around again. Maybe have something that just follows the eye down.